So we call it Affy Tapple season. It's not fall in Chicago, it's Affy Tapple season.
To millions of Americans, the caramel apple marks a quintessential sign of fall. Your basket is full.
When I was little at our school, we had fundraisers, so we had cases of this stuff. Brings back good memories.
The irresistible autumn treat dating back to 1948 when the Kastrup family founded the beloved Chicago brand Affy Tapple.
Edna Kastrup is the one who came up with the original caramel formula. So she's the one that started the process of dipping caramel apples.
These apples are the same quality that you would buy at a farm stand.
Now owner and CEO Brandon Beavers says back then marketing was top of mind.
Your name sounds a little silly.
That's right, it is.
It's not a typo, though.
It's not a typo, and I still get tongue twisted. Ultimately, we're going back to the days where people used the phone book. And so Affy Tapple, as opposed to Taffy Apple, starts with an A.
They wanted to be first in the phone book.
Like caramel, the name stuck, and Affy Tapple grew. And what's as sweet as the treat itself is the company's core commitment to education. For more than 60 years, Affy Tapple has partnered with local schools and charities, helping raise millions of dollars through their fundraising programs.
We try to promote teaching and education. You know, the youth is really what carries our brand.
Even hosting an annual Family Fun Day to raise money for area food banks.
This business is so homegrown in Chicago. Is that part of the reason why you all feel so passionately about giving back to Chicago?
Absolutely.
Still?
Absolutely. You know, we do take great pride in that.
The coated confections all made at this 100,000 square foot state-of-the-art factory in suburban Niles, Illinois.
Here we are.
Wow. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
This is huge.
In peak season, 250 full-time employees use the freshest produce, carefully placed wooden sticks, and still that homemade caramel.
This is Affy Tapple. What you're smelling is our brand. This is our caramel.
What I'm smelling should be illegal. It smells so good.
The factory churns out up to 350,000 caramel apples a day, 20 million a year. Every job requires precision, patience, and clearly practice, as I learned firsthand.
Oh my gosh. Wait, this is really stressful. Why are they going so fast? This is going to give me nightmares for quite some time. Wish me luck. It's not perfect. Mine looks like the zombie version of what they've been doing.
When you meet new people, they always get really excited. They're like, Affy Tapple!
Some Affy Tapple employees have been honing their skills for a decade or more.
You've worked for Affy Tapple for how long?
This is my 20th year.
This is your 20th year?
Yes.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Today, Affy Tapple boasts sales across 36 states and can be found in major grocery chains.
Do people call you Willy Wonka?
No, but, you know, I'm starting to feel like it.
Yeah.
A simple, sweet treat invented by a woman, now the core of a successful Black-owned company, growing way beyond its Windy City roots.
What does that mean to you?
Some of my family heritage, you know, is about, you know, kind of coming from nothing. It's one of the main reasons I love to give back to the community and show the kids that, you know, they can make something of their dreams.
Dreams stemming from an iconic treat that for so many marks a sweet symbol of fall.
So good. So good. So glad we used that shot, by the way. I have smaller bites today. I learned my lesson. Guys, Affy Tapple Day is so popular for reference in Chicago schools that it has its own dedicated fundraising day on the school calendar. The team is very dedicated to research. We have lots of products to try. They're going to lose their minds because I hear Jeff Goldblum wanted to try Affy Tapple. Is that correct?
He joined us.
Jeff is a big fan.
Try it. Which,
Me?
I mean, we have
really?
quite the selection.
Aren't you going to go first?
I mean, yes.
Jeff's first, then later.
Hey.
You're taking
nice.
too long.
May I offer?
Okay.
Jeff, are you a caramel or a caramel?
What do
You
say?
mean pronunciation-wise?
Yeah.
Caramel. Hey, have a caramel. Caramel. I don't know.
Which one to try.
Have a caramel. Have a caramel. Caramel.
Caramel.
I'm a caramel like Maggie. Which
This is so good.
Well done.
And Clint Eastwood was the mayor of what city?
Caramel?
Carmel.
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 What are you talking about?
And what does Hormel make?
Sausages?
No.
No.
Cheese?
Well, ham, I believe.
Chili?
Isn't that correct?
Maggie, I know it's been strange, but thank you.
We're off the rails. Keep
Maggie.
going.
Thank you, Maggie.
Thank you.